up here.
He big?
Bring him up here.
Oh my gosh!
Bring them here.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, man. Turn off the door right here. Then you gotta watch this come straight up to the window.
I think he's eating silk.
Easy, daddy. Not done on. You gotta be in Iceland. You have to be in Iceland. If you're in Iceland, you can't do it nowhere. It don't work. Shelly, I'm recording you. You better drift this. Safari drifting. Drinking my wine.
You're not gonna get her in trouble. You better don't break these people glass. Are you ready? Perfect.
Ain't it?
Let me make sure before we start. Yup. Just don't.
What's this bowl for?
Just for your muscles.
Oh.
No more drinking.
Carl, I just don't know what the bowl for. Why can't
What would the bowl be for?
Carl, I don't know squeezing lemon and I don't know. First mukbang.
Oh my god.
That's all you.
Yeah! I don't need no napkin. I play with napkins.
I drunk too, right?
No, you sweet.
Any question?
All right,
is
baby.
you drunk? Jesus
Let's go.
Christ, bro.
Everything is your drunk.
Oh, this is my first mukbang.
Good. Hello, guys.
In record?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. So we're gonna be picking out.
First of all, this is G. This is K. They're beautiful.
Oh yeah, they don't know that.
Duh. All right, so watch this. So movie time. You talk first, please.
Okay, so we were gonna pick out. So we like, why not record it? Because usually we have the most fun when we eating or traveling.
Fox.
We're gonna just tell you guys what we have going on here before we dig in. Because once we start, it doesn't stop.
That's it.
So we got some shrimp and lobster. He can't eat it, so that's why it's in a separate dish.
I did, but I allergic, you guys, just to let y'all know.
Oh.
Continues.
Who are you?
Continue.
Okay, so then we got the main mukbang. We got the eggs. We got the sausage. We got the corn. Dungeness crab, king crab. What else in here? Shall I put so much things in here?
Sausages, eggs, corn, onions.
What other seafood?
Seasoning.
Oh no, mussels. We got some mussels.
You got some mussels inside of those as well?
No, only over here.
Okay, cool.
Because they take up too much space.
Alright.
So, and then we got some pineapple, some mango, some lemon. And then we have our drinks. This is wine.
So it's a good life.
And then, all the time. And then we got some Gatorade because just in case. I don't know, I put a lot of pepper in this. Alright, baby, let's go.
You first. Please, young lady.
Why you put me on the spot
Absolutely.
like that?
You first.
Oh, boy.
Ladies first.
Alright, so.
I don't even know where you put what.
I don't even know where I put.
So you can pick up an egg first? Egg? Did find one of these crap.
Okay, let me do a shrimp.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll attack this bowl right here. And guys, just to let you guys know.
It's still kind of hot because we don't like cold food.
We're literally just doing this for the first time. So, you
know, we ain't pros, but we like to eat.
So I can go for the clown first. You know what? I ain't gonna do that. That's bumping out.
Okay.
The sauce though.
The shrimp though.
Goddamn sauce. Shrimp good?
Mm-hmm.
You should have beat.
Oh. Sorry, God.
When
I see food, oh God.
Fox. When she see food, she eat food. Seafood.
Okay.
So, you guys, I cannot eat any of that, so you must understand I'm jealous. Hey, young lady.
Ma'am.
Our dog going crazy now. She wanna eat too. You sure we ain't supposed to like have a fork right now? Shit is hot.
Babe, the king crab.
Eyes are on. Don't mind me. So, guys, this is a piece of crab right now.
That's pitiful.
You can see that steaming. Why you do me like that?
You had the good piece over here.
You saw a piece over there?
That was good.
I guarantee you, we supposed to have a fork for this.
Danny.
Yes, baby.
There's no fork.
I feel you. Let me stop bitching.
Alright, y'all.
Alright, guys. Right.
Go ahead, babe.
Some of the clams we did. We did a whole, not clams, mussels. We did a whole bowl of mussels.
I think we're supposed to let it cool. But you know.
Go.
Y'all see that? What you doing? Okay.
Maybe that's gonna talk this.
I think we're supposed to let it cool.
So she can eat every day. Yo, let me ask you a question. What is it with allergies? Do you believe that, like, it's only men that can eat? Because for some reason in my family and like other families and your family as well, that we, for some reason, men allergic to shellfish.
Real talk.
So anything when it comes down to like, you need to give Jesus a hallelujah right now.
Yes.
You good?
I'm good.
God damn, with all these drinks, you know it's Sunday. But for real though, will you believe that all women could eat shellfish, or like just like men just have a situation where I don't know what it is, like we just can't eat shellfish? Because most men I feel like can't eat shellfish.
No, for real. I do think that that's true to some extent. Most of the people I see that can't eat shellfish are men.
That's crazy.
But I mean, you know what they say about shellfish? It's not good for you, but you know, life is short.
Who said that?
Everybody.
I'm a bear now.
Yes, because they're the scavengers of the ocean or something like. Who cares?
Which is true.
Tastes good though.
Which is true.
Babe, dip. Ooh, and what?
Exactly like
Okay.
you.
It's our first time.
Guys.
Evidently, we were supposed to let it cool, I think.
Fox. Dungeness crabs in here.
Somewhere.
Right.
Ooh, that's hot.
Fox.
You wanna get a fork?
I can't stand you.
I wonder, I thought he's being extra.
Right. We ain't a bunko.
Woo.
We can just let it cool and we can try our best to just try to find it. Alright, I got you. Because I've been doing this. I've been on this lemon for a minute.
Y'all, this egg. Oh boy. Woo.
Ow. We gotta back up a little bit, guys.
Babe, that fork.
This is about to get dangerous.
That fork.
I got it.
Okay. Get a fork. Okay.
It ain't waste on you.
I didn't kill you. Go get the fork. Go get the fork.
I got it. I ain't gonna
Oh my God.
See them. Bah. Good. God.
Man,
Jesus
look at us.
Christ.
Yo, we really supposed to let this cool. Don't you know it wouldn't be real?
Excuse my language. No profanity necessary. My apologies. You know what?
Okay.
Okay.
Get a
Serious.
block.
Alright, there it is.
Okay, so let's show them.
We wasn't gapping, guys.
Oh boy.
We wasn't gapping. I didn't even know you holding up. You got a camera close to the camera right there. Alright, yeah, okay, alright. You got it.
We can clean the table.
You got it.
Oh, it's so hot, man.
You was telling me something about this pineapple thing. It's good to the
Oh
pineapple.
yeah. Try the pineapple. Dip it in all the onions and whatever else in there. God knows what. No, you being too clean. Danny.
Listen, you've eaten more seafood in your life than I have. Help me. Wow. Put it there. Give it to me.
Oh boy. Let me try it, you know. Yeah, you'll die if you eat this. Stop. Okay. You stupid. I have a lobster in here somewhere and I need to find it. Mine it would have been more fun if we let it cool.
Don't punk out now, Cara. The people say don't punk out.
Okay, y'all, it's a lobster.
Don't punk out. Get that lobster.
How these babe? The mussels.
Listen, maybe I'm not complaining. That's a lobster.
Yeah. Ah. Okay. Okay, let's
Let me ask you a quick question. How in the world you can put the lobster? Like, exactly. You just got there, right?
But when you touch these
You
two,
disrespectful. You disrespectful, bro. That's disrespect. That's disrespect. Real.
I'm sorry, babe.
Well, let's go on.
You know what brain?
I ain't gonna take no water.
You know what
I ain't
brain?
gonna take no water.
Food brain.
Mm.
Yeah, the lobster on. Ooh boy.
Mm.
Okay. I think he's double tailed. But your teeth. Oh, you're trying muscle.
Alright guys, just a segment we ain't gonna play deep.
Yeah, man, but it sucks.
What sucks?
That you can't eat lobster and shrimp. But you could eat crab, which is so weird.
That's what sucks in life, girl. We control something.
For you, yeah, man.
A fault that God gave me by default.
You better like no
I thought
sir.
I ready for this. I ready for the statement you about to make. You to be there dirty.
Ooh, you got a good piece. That was good.
I got the rest of
That's right, king crab. That's right, king crab. That's fine now. Bet. Okay.
You know how hard it was for me to find that Dungeness when we find it. Okay.
Okay.
And most didn't come back with my hand trying to find that Dungeness crab.
Okay.
Guys, as you can tell, we do have an accent. A lot of times when we speak to one another, you're probably trying to figure out what the hell. You're probably gonna have to replay and rewind a lot of what we're saying. But for the most part, just to give you guys a small synopsis of who we are. My name is Denzel, and this is the beautiful Carl. Stuff in the face.
Oh, when food come around, talk about.
So for the most part, we've been married for about 5 to 6 years, babe.
7.
7 years.
5 to 6, boy.
Men fuck with times. I'll tell you that.
Boy. Yo, check this though.
If you love me,
Ow!
I get it. Okay, you take the first bite. Because it's hot.
Okay.
Carl, it's hot.
Put
Jesus
it down.
Christ, bro.
Put it down.
Just squeeze some lemon on it.
It's not even hot anymore. You're so dramatic.
It is. Hot. Come on. Okay, listen, okay? People are allowed, okay? Come, get it. Ah!
Oh boy.
Is it or
Oh, you got some lemon? Oh, Danny, that's good. Where have been so hot? Oh my god. This is bad. I mean, my lobster the good. Oh boy. Was it good? Them sausage is good. Try looking at us like, I hate you all.
You guys don't understand. My wife cooked all of this, you know. I might just have to impregnate you tonight.
Boy.
That's not a question I have for you though.
Why? Oh.
How many kids do you want in life?
Well, if the first one isn't too heavy, if the first one isn't too hard, and it's easy.
What is that?
I know it won't be easy, but if it's like bearable, I'll take maybe 3. More if, you know.
If you have the opportunity to do so.
Yeah.
Right?
You know, God has given you what you want. What He wants you to have, what you could take care of, what you could deal with, you know. Oh,
just keep in
yeah.
mind, this corn hot as hell.
Mm-mm. What about you, babe? How much did you want?
Why you want 10 of them?
Because you're doing the work.
Why gotta be like that? I can be right there coaching you. And come on, baby, we got this. Come on, man. Let's go, boy. Feel like a coach, you know? Right there for you. No. I don't think good. As soon as you push one out there right there to catch it.
You stupid.
Catch that second one. You know what I mean?
Well, that's a lot of work.
Y'all women is be trying to make that seem hard, man. I ain't like
They drive you. And I can help.
Nah, salute to all the women that have hot kids, period, bro. That shit looks like it's very tasking.
You like it?
I don't know what that was they just ate.
It wasn't meat?
I hope so.
You know, lobster over there, so.
It was onion. It was a big onion.
Okay, good. Oh my god, babe, I full.
Now you me a quit a car.
You going on the walk after this?
Hey, young lady.
Ma'am,
Hey.
she's throwing the tantrum,
Yeah,
y'all.
our dog in the cage throwing a tantrum.
I like the egg.
Give me a blue question, babe.
A blue. Okay.
A very blue question. Think about, deep down inside, think about a question you always wanted to ask men. So we ain't shit.
That's not true.
Well, go ahead. Go ahead.
I don't know.
What you mean?
Let me think.
Who I cheat on you with?
Yeah.
Rihanna. I bringing that bag home, babe. Rihanna, I bringing that bag home.
See, you gotta cheat on me with someone like Rihanna or something. This is I can understand.
Who you cheat on me with?
No one.
That's me, my person. If it came down to it, let's say I became a total piece of shit. So like we just had problems for whatever reason. You know what I mean? Which you know I don't apply to. But you let me know. You know one person you cheat on me with.
No one.
Good God, you
I just break up with you.
They're coming over
I
here.
ain't cheating on you because there's so much work.
Cheating is a lot of work, hey. They figure that.
Look at that. We're gonna have to break up.
Alright, I should just be single.
I ain't gonna do that
Excuse me.
to I ain't do this to myself.
You know what? So,
I ain't break up with you.
alright, so can we ever justify the reasons for people cheating then? Like certain
Scared to
situations?
like break up, I guess. Or they just wanna have their cake and eat it too. Which is not a good thing. What you do unto others will come back to you.
I don't think that's what I'm saying in school, but you know, close to that. I don't even know where I'm going.
I twisted up a little bit, but you know what I mean.
Guys, I'm sorry. I forget to show you all this.
Man, baby, I full.
Oh man, don't say that, man, baby. You should quit off. Don't be no quitter in life.
Ma'am.
That's because you over there eating all them shrimp.
I eat
Come
the
over here.
lobster.
Oh God. Got a lobster, babe.
Good. I full though. I look, oh Lord.
Oh my God, man. Let's get that. You cooking? Okay. Guys, but for real, she's seasoned up. Let go up. Yeah, I'm not speechless.
Boy, you feel good tonight. Alright, see?
I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. It's a tranquilizer.
Oh Oh yeah. There, baby. Wow.
Oh, more there? Well, at the bottom? Why you directing me down there?
Oh. I follow. Look here. Pay attention.
Hey, take it easy there, man.
She's so bad. Our dog is like a little human.
Who lied for this, man?
Baby, I can't eat no more.
Sorry, baby. Sorry, my baby. You put some of that lemon on you just now.
Oh wow. You and this pulling this whatever that is over there. That's a bonnet.
It may seem like I run on them guys, but trust me, it's that good.
I can't breathe. They can learn this to run out king. Oh baby, I feel okay, I can just watch you eat now.
You see, the race car is not for the swift. It's for those who can endure.
The skinny people, yeah, got it. What I even eat today? Why I feel so quick?
It's beyond gas.
Yeah, that's the perfect.
This last one for the people there. This for the people. This for the people. You can't leave the people hanging. You want to spoil it?
You gonna be up with me with my belly hurt in the night? Okay.
I gotta rub that belly. I gotta rub that. Come on, baby.
I don't wanna.
Gabra.
Oh, be gross. Sorry, y'all. Gotta let it out.
Champion. I don't know egg yet, guys.
Oh, there's the egg. Good. The egg. You're so neat. My float.
Come on, baby, don't do that, man. Hope you don't put up.
Oh, I want sausage though.
Top that off with a sausage.
Yeah, the sausage good.
You top that off with a potato. I got you. Potato.
Oh, but
Onions, potato, sausage, and egg. I don't know what's going on tonight, but it's a sandwich.
your mouth big. Ma'am. Alright, baby, you done? Alright, y'all. So, this is our first mukbang.
Immaculately exquisite.
Thank you, babe.
You did
It
phenomenal.
took me a while, but we got it. And, you know, we have so much more food left.
Hey,
Ma'am.
hey.
Ma'am.
Go on, man. Take it easy now.
She mad.
Yeah.
She ain't gonna even eat this.
Show it off.
And, okay. I don't think we did too bad. This is our natural reaction. Natural.
That nigga right is kicking into you.
Yeah, I'm about to go sleep right now, actually. So
Okay, she downplaying this a whole lot right now. Yeah, blue cap. Listen, sweetie, this is awesome.
Thank you, ma'am.
I know what you're talking about. I better order me a blue cap off of Amazon. Just throw it on every time. This is good.
Me and Johnny gonna eat this tomorrow too.
For like, what you talking about?
Lord, this was good.
But that was for breakfast.
So thank you guys for watching, and we'll be back next time with another mukbang, but not as much food because this is too much. This is too much food. Okay, too much. So we'll see y'all in our next mukbang, and then also we will be posting a video about our move to Atlanta because you know we previously lived in Florida and now we're in Atlanta and we love it. So we'll have more information on that for you guys next time. So look out for that. Bye. Anything to say, Brother Brown?
Let me guess.
No.
Let's have a great night. I know I will. Beautiful.
How do you like it, babe? Tell me the truth. It's too watery.
That was good. But they need to find out.
Watch when it sit
Because
over
what I'd be pissed off about is that none of this was recorded just now.